Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best Smart Door Lock Review in 2025.
Number 4.
The MOES Tuya ZigBee Smart Door Lock offers advanced security with fingerprint, password, keycard, and remote unlocking. Compatible with Alexa and Tuya Smart app, it features a Tamper alarm and low power consumption with battery operation. Ideal for indoor use, it ensures safe, keyless entry with smart home integration.
Number 3.
Specifications: power supply, dry battery, handle direction, direction reversible, suitable door type, wooden door, doorknob function, key and keypad, model number, Smart Lock 01, origin, mainland China.
Number 2.
This smart Bluetooth fingerprint door lock offers secure access with multiple unlocking methods: fingerprint, TTLock app, passcode, card, and key. Featuring a sleek touchscreen design, it ensures convenience and enhanced home security. Ideal for modern households, it supports remote management, access logs, and customizable codes for family and guests.
Number 1.
Description: 1. Easy to install. No drilling and no damage to your cabinets. 2. Easy to operate. It has automatic rebound and automatic locking functions. 3. Stainless steel latch and ABS plastic lock body, durable and anti-corrosion. 4. A master card can be set to open multiple locks. So you only need to keep the own key to control all the locks. 5. Service life of the motor is about 100,000 times, and the static power consumption is less than 5 MUA.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.